Right, this is turning into one of those days I can't find my glue stick, which would be the ideal thing. Rub the surface with a glue stick, and then normally you'd lay that down over the cling film, but I think I'm going to have to do it the other way up because I've put the polyhydro on there and the tail's going to be a problem. But I'm going to have to use this PVA glue, see if that works. Put a layer of that over there, see if that will hold the cling film in place. Right, gonna have to leave that for a while and try and trim it and then do something with the tail. Right, covered with cling film. As you can see, I haven't got it tight. It's not bad, but it's not as tight as it could be. So we'll see if that flies. You may see I've just got a bit of blue tack on the front instead of that big weight, because I think that was way too heavy. So, which way are we going to go? Because putting that on will have changed any trimming that I'd done. Not that I had done any, but, well, let's just see. Stop waffling. That sort of almost flew, didn't it? We'll try it towards the camera. We'll go wide angle. I think we'll have to go in the garden. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.